What up, Gaddy? Is shit working? Looks okay. Looks like it's working. I think the one-on-one might be coming tonight. I'm feeling it. Caleb is too. Yeah, don't overdo it with the bourbon, dude. I don't want you starting a ruckus in the break room here. I know you. And get out of control. Start demanding one of ones and shit. What we got? Oh, that was my. Let me tag Boyd. I know he's not in this, but he likes to come in and have fun. I'm gonna rip this triple open while we wait for people to join. Where's the? We got 3 inners in here. I'll pick one of them via random.org. That's weird, they're in different orders. Alright. What's going on, Boyd? How you doing, sir? Open them all. What about that? That'd be pretty expensive. I would take a huge loss on that. Alright. We're going to run this 5 times. Left, middle, right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th and final time. So the middle box, we're going to crack the middle box tonight. Tomorrow night and Thursday night we'll do the left and the right. So tonight we're doing middle. I would do a full case. It ain't popular enough to cover the cost though. I got little pieces of cardboard everywhere now. And I knocked my cards over off the screen here. My most recent pickups. Flawless. My 13-14 Panini Football Black. 12 cards per pack, 1 pack per box, 5 boxes per inner. Let me catch up on the chat here. Alright, I'll try, Jennifer. Yeah, I know. There were some really nice Packers in that last one. I was thinking about you when I pulled it too, because I know you're always chasing your Packers. I was like, damn, Jennifer's not going to be happy with that. That's how it works. Adam was telling me the same thing. He's like, every time I miss the Cowboys in a break is when a big Cowboys card comes. Or any Cowboys card for that matter. But he missed a real big Cowboys card a couple months ago. It was that 4 autograph card, the quad autograph. I don't remember even who was on it. It was Staubach, Roma. There was some big names on it, and he had just barely missed the Cowboys in that break. That's how it goes. That's why you got to get your team in every break. All right, let's see. Damn, Boyd and Brandon are chatting up. Are you guys? Oh, Taylor, what's going on, man? You're watching me for a change. I've only seen 100 of your breaks. Taylor's usually pulling me the fire over on occasion. Those guys do good work there. All right, we're 6 minutes late technically. I'm going to get cracking. Thanks for joining me from eBay. I appreciate it, you guys. As always with my eBay breaks, if you skunk, I'll make sure you get at least a pack of cards. I don't let anybody go home empty-handed. I've heard a couple of stories about people getting some nice hits out of those free packs. It's not that often, obviously, but occasionally it does happen. Here we go, 5 boxes. Panini Black 2013. With an extra piece of cardboard in the mix. More cardboard on my table. Try to keep my break table clean, but it's hard to do so. Oh shit. Taylor was giving Boyd a hard time about the Panthers. He's about to get you. Shit. Alright, here we go, guys. I'm gonna adjust my focus in a second. Let me get this cracked open. That way I don't have to fight with my autofocus. As always, it's a dual camera view. You can see up here. Sorry, technically you can see up here in the top right. There's a view of the whole scene. No funny business going on. The main camera will be temporarily blurry because my autofocus really sucks on this camera. So I'm going to manually set the focus so I don't have to fight it to show you guys the hits up close. All cards shipped. Nobody goes home empty-handed. Let me set my focus to right about here, somewhere in here. How's that? Okay, that should work. Sorry, it's a little blurry. Good luck, everybody. All right, first up, we got AJ Green, 362 out of 399 going to the Bengals. All cards are numbered in this except for the metal cards. We got Ndamukong Suh, Donkey Kong Suh, 241 out of 399 going to the Lions. Another thing about this is the redemptions do go to an NFL team, so it'll be based on the checklist. Even though Panini says they're not doing the redemptions anymore. DJ Hayden going to the Raiders, 236 out of 399. That's another thing. I don't know if you guys know that. Panini is saying they will not honor redemptions from expired products anymore. I'll still ship them. Jack Doyle going to the Colts, 77 out of 399. I'll still ship them because I think it's still worth a shot to contact them and ask them to at least send you some points or something if you get a redemption hit. There are quite a few redemptions in this. We got Eric Reed going to the Niners, 292 out of 399. The Bucks. Yeah, I still don't know what to make of that whole situation. We got a short print here. Charles Woodson gold. Oh, my video froze up for a second there. 27 out of 49 going to the Raiders. Had a second of freeze up there on me. How about a little Geno Smith RPA, 79 out of 99. 2-color patch with an on-card auto. He's got a nice autograph, too. Going to the Jets. That is John. John Campbell with the Jets. would have been an awesome card in 2013. We got a redemption. Set that right there. Going to San Fran. Cornelius Carradine. 34 out of 99. Sticker. Cornelius. San Fran. That's Terry. We got a jumbo patch of Wes Welker. Look at that. 12 out of 25 going to the Broncos. Triple color patch. Chunky too. Wow, that patch is so chunky that it actually bent the card up back here. Look at, I don't know if you can tell the reflection of the light, but card's bent up right there from it. I think that's awesome personally. Technically that's minor damage to the card, but it's still pretty cool. That's a nasty patch. There's a lot of guys that could ball in college, and then they can't when they get to the NFL. Nice patch there for the Broncos. There you go, Alan. That's decent. Decent hit right there. Now we got Sheila Manning, 167 out of 299, single color. Mini napkin. Going to the Giants. Sorry, I got to open some top loaders here. Using up all my 130s. I'll have to buy some more if I can get them. Patch for John. Oh, we got our RG3 metal captains going to the Skins. These don't have numbers on them. RG3. It's almost as nice as the Kaepernick I pulled last week. Redemption. All right, here we go. Let's see. I don't know if you're going to get this redemption, but you'll physically get it, but I don't know if Panini's going to honor it. So, we got Platinum Signatures. Card number 37, Tannehill. I got to look. I don't know who Tannehill was with. Was that the Titans? I don't remember. Memory is not my strong suit. Dolphins. What am I thinking? So that goes to the Dolphins. Yep, Boyd's got it. Boyd's always on top of me. Before I even looked it up, even with the delay in the chat, Boyd still has it before I can look it up. Yeah, I can spell. Dolphins. Go to the Dolphins. That one goes to the Dolphins, the Tannehill. Again, I don't know if they will redeem that or not. Still going to ship it to whoever's got Miami. Gabriel. Still get it in the mail. If Panini wants to honor that, they will, but apparently they're not doing it anymore. Was he a wide receiver? Is he still even in the NFL? Don't mind me, I'm just trying to break this box down so I don't have to do it later. The Dolphins have no identity anymore. They're a shell of what they used to be. All right, we got Jason Witten out of 399, 212 out of 399 for the Cowboys. Oh, look at this. We got a little something here. It's a little one-on-one. We got a nice printing plate here. Is that the Patriots? Looks like the Patriots. So we got a one-of-one plate. Vince Wilfork. 1 of 1 going to the Pats. The printing plate is guaranteed by Panini America. I didn't know they used to print that on it. We guarantee you this is a real printing plate. 1 of 1 going to New England. That goes to Paul. Vince Wilfork. 1 of 1 plate. Whoops, dropped the plate. All right, we got Zach Sudfeld going to the Jets. 89 of 399. $291 out of 399. Chris Gregg going to the Bills. Luke Wilson, 198 out of 399 for the Seahawks. Two out of 49. Tony Gonzalez going to the Falcons. Gold parallel. Release the Hounds. Charge. 2 out of 49. Semi-short print. Yeah, you should hear the sound effect that I play whenever I pull, oh, this is nice. Whenever I pull Kaepernick. Check this one out. Terrence Williams going to the Cowboys. That's pretty nasty. 13 out of 25 with a 2... Yeah, I guess that's considered a 2-color patch. On-card autograph. 13 out of 25. It's pretty nice. Adam got the Cowboys. He's a Cowboys guy. He's been missing them. He's like, I'm getting the damn Cowboys off of eBay. 13 out of 25. TW. RPA. Going to the Packers. Another on-card. Jonathan Franklin, 21 out of 99. There you go, Jennifer. She's looking for her Packers. There's a start. I know you're looking for a bigger name than that, but that's nice. A little something for you to start it with an on-card autograph. I don't refuse, bro. Panini refuses you. I just open the cards. They did this to me in the last break. I looked at that and I was like, oh, it's Drew Brees. Ryan Griffin going to the Saints, 195 out of 199. I saw it out of the side of my eye. I thought it was a Breeze. Still a cool card. Sticker auto on that one. It was like a hot pack, just overloaded with autographs. What was that? 1, 2, 3. 3 autographs so far. Here's a 4th one. Frank Gifford going to the Giants. That's pretty cool. Look at that. 16 out of 25. Bringing it back. No problem, Jennifer. Hey, man, when it comes to cards, I mean, I'm an Eagles fan, obviously, but, you know, I can appreciate nice cards. Like a nasty Tom Brady autograph card that you guys might have pulled. 16 out of 25. That's really nice for the Giants there. There you go, John. John picked up quite a few teams. He's getting some decent hits out of them. With the throwback. The throwback. We got Fred Jackson going to the Bills. 6 out of 99. With a huge napkin. I only got 3 of my lights on. I should probably turn a couple more on. And the man of the hour, Drew Brees. I thought I pulled him earlier. 161 out of 299, single color. Going to the Saints. I can appreciate nice Cowboys cards. I can even appreciate the players themselves if they're not douchebags. 161 out of 299 on that relic. And then we got metal captains. Patrick Peterson going to the Cardinals with a metal card. Just like I have no respect for Tom Brady for not shaking Nick Foles' hand. But I respect him as a player, as a person. person. I can't stand the guy because of that. Just because of that, honestly. Every Falcons card. Yeah. Yeah, you're a Saints guy, though, right? Of course you think every Falcons card sucks. Ah, static cling. Getting staticized. All right, we got 3 left. First up, going to the Niners, Dante Whitner, 44 out of 399. Running out of penny sleeves. I'm going to have to open up a pack in a second. Back-to-back Niners. Frank Gore, 160 out of 399. I guess they call these base cards, but back-to-back base cards for the Niners. We got Rodney Smith going to the Vikings, 007 out of 399. I got you a base card so far, Boyd. Whoop. We got Nick Moody for the 49ers. That's 3 49ers cards in this pack so far. 26 out of 399. And then we got Richard Sherman, 209 out of 399. Yeah, you know I love to duplicate it. 209. What was the record? Five duplicates in one case, I think I pulled once. 209 out of 399. Jamie Collins going to the Patriots. Got some whiting on the bottom there, unfortunately. 9 out of 49. Gold parallel. Gotta be easy on that so I don't make it worse. Fresh out of the pack damage, 9 out of 49 for the Patriots. And then we got Eddie Lacy going to Green Bay. Oh, wow. 1 of 2 with the swoosh. Green Bay. That is nasty. That is disgusting. There you go, Jennifer. That is a nasty, nasty card right there. Pretty good shape, too. Got a hint of white right there on the top. Not too bad, but that is real nice. Really, really nice. Hang on, let me throw that in the bag for you. I'll give you a mag for this one, especially because it's your PC. It's the wrong size mag. I thought we were working with 130s here. What the hell? There's a 130. Here you go, Eddie Lacy, 1 of 2. $20 Big Macs. Yeah, I can eat some Big Macs myself. Yeah, I got another nasty one to follow that up. There's another one. This is like a masterful case for or box right here. We got Le'Veon Bell going to the Steelers. I know this isn't as amazing as it used to be, but 15 out of 99. Still a decent hit there. This would have been This would have been a super, super hot card back in 2013, 14, 15. Le'Veon Bell, rookie on-card auto. Going to the Steelers. I mean, I can't sing, so I bet Taylor could outsing me. He's got a beautiful voice, though. I can tell you that. Hey, boy, there you go. Kenyon Barner. Now you can't. I don't want to hear you bitching anymore now that I got you a Barner. 25 out of 99 sticker auto. Not too shabby. It's something. Something. Oh, wait, this isn't for you. That's right, you're not in this break. But still, I know you like to see them pulled, so there you go. That one's for your eyes. Just not for your PC. I'm so used to you having the Panthers that I'm like, oh, hey, Boyd, I got you a Panther. You missed out on the Kenyon. That goes to Ginger. Or Jason. I think Jason's probably got this card, right? He's not going to let you live it down. Darren McFadden going to the Raiders. 177 out of 299. Single color for Oakland. And Quentin Patton going to the Niners. That is 85 out of 299 for San Fran. That one's also got a little whiting in the corner down there. Usually these black products have a lot of whiting on them. This has been pretty good. And the plate is Mike Glennon going to the Bucks. Rookie plate. Metal rookies. Freaking heavy as hell. Boyd's looking for that Cam Newton. Big fan of old Cam. I wonder where Cam's going to be a backup. Alright, we got 2 left. Gotten some nastiness out of this already, though. Some real nice cards. Some vets out of it. Oh, we got another plate in here, too. Look at this. Yeah, I mean, you guys are peeking over here. I'm going to set these right here so you can't peek. First, we got 18 out of 399. That's Darryl Washington going to the Cardinals. All you peekers out there. Actually, you can you see it on a small screen? 18 out of 399. Plate. Rookie for the Jags. I can't tell who it is. Ace Sanders. 1 of 1. Printing plate. Second 1 of 1 plate in this break. He's a good announcer. I don't know what I'm breaking next, actually. I'll probably, I don't know what I'm breaking. Probably do playoff or playbook or something like that. I gotta post something up in the group. I'm getting a lot of requests for breaks in the group, so I gotta post something up instead of just doing eBay. There you go, Jacksonville. Another 1 of 1 in this break. That's the second plate. That one goes to Keel. One sec, my phone's buzzing over here. Let me turn it off. Oh, it's... Barcavius Mingo going to the Browns. 253 out of 399. Another one for the Giants. 147 out of 399. Michael Cox going to the G-Men. I wonder if he's related to Fletcher Cox. It was a beast for the Eagles. 269 out of 399. Going to the Lions, Darius Slay. We got a Drew Brees with a little something stuck to the top of it here. No damage. 9 out of 25. Short print. Semi-short print. Guess that'd be a short print out of 25. I'll upload that bad boy for you. Saints got a couple cards in this so far. We got Keenan Allen going to the Chargers. 25 out of 299. 3-color patch with an on card. It's pretty nice. Good photography. I think Cam's clothing sucks. 25 out of 299. Chargers. Carl. There you go, Carl. That's a nice RPA right there. We got a redemption back here. We got Spencer Ware going to the Seahawks. 5 of 10. Super short print. It's a sticker, but that's a nice short print you got there for Seattle. That one goes to John. It's like a prism parallel there on the print. It's not bad. I like the short print. We got another McFadden going to the Raiders. 174 out of 299. Second one of that. What is this, like duplicate relics? We got another Quentin Patton behind that. I think that was the same configuration of the last pack. 52 out of 99. Is it the same? It's a different card, but that is the same player. That's interesting. This is a sideways with a jumbo napkin. Yeah, apparently not. Well, we got one more box left, so maybe I'll get you an Ertz in that one, Brandon. Jumbo relic for the 49ers. And then we got this redemption that again may or may not be fulfilled by Panini. Rookie shadow box signature jerseys, card number 33, Marcus Lattimore. All right, Boyd. Marcus Lattimore in 2013. You got it? '49ers. San Fran. Looks like 49ers. Trying to check the checklist right now. Yes, 49ers. So that goes to San Fran. Checklist is a pain in the ass for this product. Look, half the code's visible. Almost the whole thing. That goes to the Niners. With like almost the whole code being visible there. And the plate is Jake Locker, Metal Captains, going to the Titans. everybody. Final box. What Cam post? What do you guys got, a billboard up over there or something? Cam Newton tribute billboard. A lot of cities will do that for their long-term guys that have been around for a long time. They'll give them a tribute billboard on the highway or something. All right, final box. Good luck, everybody. Once again, if you skunk in this, I'll make sure you get at least a pack of cards so I don't leave anybody empty-handed. Everybody gets a little something, if not a big something. 268 out of 399, Jacoby Jones, going to the Ravens. I'm so close on the penny sleeves. Let's see if I can get through this break without finishing off the penny sleeves and having to go into my cabinet. Back-to-back Ravens, 3 or 4 out of 399. Dennis Pitta. Panini likes to do that in this product. They do back-to-back the same team. It's happening in a few boxes now. We got DJ Fluker, 237 out of 399, going to the Chargers. Matt Scott going to the Jags, 149 out of 399. Card got a scratch down the middle? No. $149 out of $399. Travis Kelce, 35 out of $399, rookie, going to the Chiefs. Short print, Vince Wilfork, going to the Patriots, 15 out of 25. Tyler Wilson going to the Raiders. On-card auto with a two-color patch, 278 out of 299. Girly scarves, you're right. He does have some girly scarves. Scarves. Dude, he had some funky, feathery looking thing at one point, and I don't judge, but I was like, come on, dude, you're a football player, at least. Manti Te'o, going to the Chargers. 93 out of 299 with a three-color patch and an on-card auto. Chargers got a couple decent hits in this for being a team that everybody thinks is going to miss. I like that patch. Hey, Brandon, you going to play any Warzone tonight? I've gotten pretty good at it. Ryan Griffin, again, going to the Saints. 1 of 5. Super short print. Working on the rainbow here for the Saints. It's a nice low number. 1 out of 5. It's a black parallel. You can't even read the text. Especially with my lighting. Ryan Griffin. Mike James going to the Bucks. 178 out of 199. Cordarrelle Patterson going to the Vikings. 225 out of 299. single color relic. And the final card, the metal card, goes to the Cowboys. It's Jason Witten, Metal Captains. So that is the conclusion of the break. I'll give you guys a recap. Once again, if you skunked in this, I'll make sure you get at least a pack of cards. Nobody goes home empty-handed. Everybody will get at least a pack of cards, and any cards you got in this break as well. Dallas Cowboys with the final card. Alrighty, so we run down the list real quick. There was this Drew Brees out of 25. That's jersey number. 9 out of 25, which is kind of nice. It's always nice to get the jersey number. It's the only one I think is kind of cool. The 1 out of 25 or 25 out of 25, that's, to me, that's nothing special. I don't buy into that eBay 101 crap that people get into. Alright, I'm going to run through these without calling out everything about them. Got Vince Wilfork out of 25. We got Travis Kelce out of 399. Got Matt Scott out of 399. DJ Fluker out of 399. Dennis Pitta out of 399. Jacoby Jones out of 399. Sorry that they're a little out of focus. Got Darius Slay out of 399. Michael Cox out of 399. Arcavius Mingo out of 399. Darrell Washington out of 399. Jamie Collins out of 49 gold parallel. Richard Sherman out of 399. Nick Moody out of 399, Rodney Smith out of 399, Frank Gore out of 399, Dante Whitner out of 399, Tony Gonzalez out of 49 gold, Luke Wilson out of 399, Chris Gregg out of 399, got Zach Sudfeld out of 399, got Jason Witten out of 399, Charles Woodson out of 49, Eric Reed out of 399, Jack Doyle out of 399, DJ Hayden out of 399, Ndamukong Suh out of 399, AJ Green also out of 399, which is the longest print number in this product. Those are the base cards, I guess you call them. We got the metal cards. Got Jason Witten Metal Captains, really heavy. Jake Locker Metal Captains for the Titans. Got a Mike Glennon Metal Rookies for the Bucks. Patrick Peterson Metal Captains for the Cardinals. Robert Griffin Metal Captains for the Redskins, RG3. These cards are ultra heavy. They're not like Elements. Those Elements cards they seem thinner. We've got all the winners except the Cowboys. Yeah, Packers had the break here. All right. Relics, Cordell Patterson out of 299 for the Vikings. Quentin Patton for the Niners out of 99. Darren McFadden, 174 out of 299. Quentin Patton out of 299. Darren McFadden again out of 299. Drew Brees out of 299. Fred Jackson out of 99. Giant single color napkin. Eli out of 299. Some of these are game worn, by the way. A lot of these are game worn, actually. I think all the rookies, non-rookies rather, are game worn in this product. 12 out of 25, Wes Welker for the Broncos. Again, that should be game used as well. Game worn material. So most of these are actually game worn, if not all of them. Obviously the rookies aren't, which I think is kind of cool. Game worn materials are always really, really cool pieces of memorabilia. The card was upside down, so I had to redo it. And then the autographs. Mike James for the Bucks out of 199 sticker. We got Ryan Griffin out of 5 for the Saints. Short print. Super short print. Manti Te'o out of 299 for the Chargers. We got a Tyler Wilson 2-color patch, RPA at $2.99 with an on-card auto. 49ers redemption is Marcus Lattimore. Spencer Ware 5 of 10 super short print for the Seahawks. Keenan Allen RPA at $2.99 3-color. It's nice. Kenyon Barner 25 out of 99 for the Panthers. Le'Veon Bell out of 99. Frank Gifford for the Giants. That one's out of 25. The throwback vet. Ryan Griffin out of 199. To go with the 5. Jonathan Franklin for the Packers out of 99. Terrence Williams for the Cowboys out of 25 with 2-color. Dolphins, Ryan Tannehill. Platinum signatures, redemption. Cornelius Carradine for the 49ers out of 99. Geno Smith out of 99, RPA. 2-color patch. We had a plate for the Jags. Ace Sanders, 1-of-1 printing plate. We had a plate for the Patriots. Look at this big man, number 75. Vince Wilfork, 1-of-1 plate. That is the black and white plate for sure. That one is, I don't know what that, looks like it took out a red tint to it. It's probably the, what is the red plate they have? And the big hit was Eddie Lacy. The Eddie Lacy rookie auto swoosh, 1-of-2 for the Packers. That is the nastiness of the break right there. Some good hits in this. I know some teams missed, so like I said, I'll make sure you get at least a pack of cards, but we had that 1-of-2, these 2 1-of-1s. We had the Le'Veon. We had some short print autographs. Keenan Allen in there, some nice stuff. So this was a decent break. Decent break. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, thanks for joining in. I appreciate it. Hope to see you in a future break. I will be posting something directly in the group here at some point over the next day or two. I'll probably do playbook or playoff, something like that. I got Obsidian. I got some Panini 1. So I don't know what I'm posting yet, but I'll make sure I give you guys advance notice so you have a shot at your teams when they post up. It is first come, first serve. And all these will be shipped out tomorrow. And like I said, I do have 2 more inners of this up on eBay ending tomorrow and Thursday if you're interested in trying again. You never know what's in the next case. All right, guys, thanks again. Hope to see you in another break. Have a wonderful night. Congrats to everyone that hit. Sorry if you missed. Sometimes that's part of the game we play. All right, you guys have a good night. I'll see you on the flip side, Boyd, Brandon, Taylor. You guys take it easy. Have a good one. See you soon. Peace. You're welcome.